Right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this side Samaria here, this eccentric entrepreneur and a person with a great vision on his mission to empower, make people at least a minimum of 50,000 rupees of monthly stream of income, irrespective of the current job or business, whatever they might be doing. So today we meet again actually for such a long time afterwards. First of all, let me put up a disclaimer here that I am not a registered savvy person, consultant, advisor, financial planner here who can I can just give you the content for the educational purpose only. So if you really want to go with that, make sure that you are willing to take the risk of your hard-earned money. Okay, so this is just a disclaimer. I don't 100% claim that I can be always be true, okay, because market is supreme and all my students know about it. Now if you have already seen the results of Cipla and like a other bit of all like couple of calls that I gave, Amram Finance also gave good, like not good actually, but again a decent amount of money as well in that. The point with the people is like when they get the money right, they don't get it out. Okay, so you need to understand that, guys, like if market is giving you some amount of money right, then book your profits and damn it, get the hell out of the market. Okay, because the factor of greed, it is always going to be there, right? So if you want to make more money, then try to learn the systems from the very beginning. Okay, and if you're really interested, you can enroll for the starters as a basic mentorship program as well. The batch will be starting next one in the October as well, so the dates will be finalized as soon. So coming back to the point, without waiting for any other delays, let me tell you what is the thing that we're going to discuss about it. So today is 10th of September and it is of course an expiry weekly. Thursday is the date way, and I'm going to give you one stock which you can buy, of course, and the capital it might be ranging between say 25 to 30,000 rupees. Now the point with this stock is you need to hold it out. Okay, it is, like as you already know that all the stocks that I so many times I give the calls, these are positional calls. Okay, like you need to hold it for say at least 1, 2, 3 days or even 1 week or more than that as well. The minimum target that I'm expecting in this stock is nearby 15 to 20,000 rupees. Okay, again this is not going to be Cipla like, of course, because the markets are not that much of giving high rewards. But yes, if you get 10 to 15,000 rupees also by investing say 30,000 rupees, I feel like you're getting 50% reward on that as well, right? And that is the minimum I'm expecting. Actually the stock has a potential to go up further as well, but let's just say the same thing that I'm just telling you right now. No matter whatever happens, you need to understand this thing that this is a business, of course. So if you get like say decent amount of money, of course, by just having the money investment only and the money is working for you, then that is the greatest thing, right? So let's just go to the charts and yeah, follow the system what I'm going to tell you about there and do exactly what I'm telling you. Okay, there will be a particular stop loss, there will be a particular like risk to reward management as well. I don't want to risk entirely your money as well, but yes, you need to understand the conditions attached with that, right, as well. So let's just go to the charts. Hey guys, very good morning. This side Samaria here. So you can see this is a chart of IndusInd Bank, and so guys, the option that we're gonna buy here is IndusInd Bank 600 CE. Okay, September. I repeat again, 600 CE is the option that we need to buy. The capital required is 30,000 rupees. You need to buy it in normal. The current price is 37.55. Of course, if you get it below than that, that will be great. But again, understand this thing. The stop loss for this is the low of this day. Okay, that is 27.5. So you can keep a stop loss of say 27 or 25 or 26, whatever you want to do that. So almost 10 rupees below there will be stop loss, of course. And the targets that I'm expecting from this stock, it is in the range of say 700 or 750 plus. So let's just see how the market behaves. But again, if you get a decent profit of say 10, 20, 15, 30,000, whatever you get from the market, please book the profit and get the hell out of the market, guys. Okay, and this is the thing that I'm telling you from experience as well. So many people, they like greedily wait. Okay, like I want to make this goddamn option 1 lakh only. So please don't do that kind of shitty stuff. Okay, if you are into profits, of course, book the profits. And again, I'm repeating you, the last stop loss, okay, for this stock option is the same. Okay, the low of the yesterday. All right, and the low was 27.5. so if the stock goes below that, then believe me, you need to exit immediately in loss, of course. Okay, and those of you who are willing to take a risk of 30,000 rupees, they only just enter in the market. All right, guys, that is it from my side. And of course, the option you need to hold it for a couple of days. The target that minimum I'm expecting is like in the range of say 70 to 80 or 90 as well. So let's just see how the market behaves, of course. And yeah, that is it, guys, for today. And thank you so much for watching. Have a good